So depends on who you're talking to, right? But I'll do it for service designers because we are actually bringing usually this to an organization. And who you want to care is your leadership, right? Everyone today agrees that customer experience or even experience, like that is the thing that we should be focusing on. And we want to be different and we want to deliver an amazing experience, a seamless experience, an omni-channel experience, whatever the word is, right? But it's all about the experience. But what you saw is that over the last decade or so, experience at best was done by product or by user experience, by design. But it was like this part of the business. And before that, it was like project based or nobody even cared. We were just utility based, providing services and products way back then, even before we got to this beautiful world, I think. But as experience is getting more importance, we have a lot of strategy, we have a lot of ideas, we have a lot of measurement, but we don't have a way to execute on it. So what happened, the customer journey is this useful lens that people accept as the way to capture experience and to align on it. But like that ad hoc journey mapping or blueprinting here, journey map there, project here, this team does it this way, this team does it that way. It's a mess. And data is all over the place, insights are all over the place. Who cares about that sticky note with a beautiful insight after the project, right? It really doesn't scale. But now that the premium is on experience, a lot of the leadership in our organizations, they struggle to see the impact of all the changes they make. So we as service designers now are taking these journeys and say, okay, we're done with the mapping piece, but now that we have all these maps and some need to create these mappings and do all the work, but once you have it, you have this beautiful lens. We call it the journey framework, but you can use it to look at the entire organization. How's the customer doing? How's our roadmap doing? What are our goals? How are we actually prioritizing? And then everyone in the organization that is above you and below you starts to pay attention. So that is happening now. So we go away from like this tactical journey mapping, journey management. And journey management is just a term a lot of the early adopters of this philosophy in the service design community, but also in the product management community were using to describe what they were doing. So we just took that and are driving with it.